We actually look like pros on this side.
What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. We have an install video for you guys. This time it's the bed support kit. It's a universal support kit from Innov8 Racing USA. The problem though is the Colorados have this rib back all the way to the back. Most stop here, and this is a universal mount for all trucks, but you couldn't do it with the Colorado. So Jason made some brackets for us from Innov8 Racing USA, and it's not their first custom Colorado stuff. The wheels, the forged wheels for midsize, now available also. The install is actually easy. I don't think anyone would have any trouble with it, but there is a method to it to get it just right on the first time, and the tolerances are so tight you might end up marring it up if you don't get it right on the first try. So we're gonna help you with that. So let's get into it. Innov8 Racing USA Billet universal bed support mount for the Zr2 install video. And this is the prototype bracket for the Colorado Zr2, available for the 2021 catalog at Innov8. The universal billet bed support kit has been out for a while though, and comes standard with the rest of this hardware. And Rodney at Innov8 is gonna walk us through how to use it regardless of vehicle selection.
And so as you're tightening this, it pulls it up.
Yeah, like a rivet.
So I just figured I would try to give people the parts, you know, and I even gave them the center punch, you know, so they could figure that out.
Yeah.
So they wouldn't have to go buy one or what, I don't know.
Did that come with the kit, or that's in your kit?
No, this comes with it. So this comes with the kit.
Oh, all right.
Best way to kind of do it right is you set it up, and then I use the center punch. I punch the top. I put
you just tap it?
Nut insert right in, and then I lock that one down, and then I come down, do the bottom one, lock that one in, and then you pull this out, and then you punch those
just
bottom
work with those
two, right?
So you just mark it up kind of where it rests, huh?
Yeah, so you just want it to be kind of sitting flush here and here, you know, square. Get in there, it's just
Oh, it's backwards.
put it the right way.
Yeah. So you start with one?
Yeah. Start with do one, that way it kind of holds it.
Yeah, yeah. You could just work freely after that.
Yeah.
So what is the right size you said? Or?
17, 30 seconds. Okay. And it's super close, but I think I should just go get one.
I'm the type that's too impatient to go to the store between jobs, whatever. A half-inch worked, but be careful, you know you can ruin the hole.
I got this one. Oh yeah, you just set it in and you tighten this. I'm gonna wait for him. But yeah, I think that's it. Damn, sweet tool.
A little WD on there will helps just take a little bit of that friction
Yeah.
off there. Just probably snug it up.
Oh, what is that? 12-point socket or
Yeah,
what?
so that's a 12-point. I think it's a 3/8 maybe.
Yeah.
So in case some of this gets lost in the quick edits, I'll just go over it really quick. For every rivet nut that you bolt down, you're gonna have to assemble the kit again to mark the next hole, and then take it apart and assemble it again for the next hole, or they won't line up.
Barely.
Oh, those 1/8 turns.
Yeah, so that's what it is.
I hate those.
So then here we're going to come back through, mark our bottom one.
Another tip, make sure your bed closes before you start making holes. We actually got lucky. We forgot to check.
Looks straight.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I'm still gonna blame you, but it looks straight to me. Damn, that close to your knuckle? How'd you get the measurements for these heights? Do you had one or?
Yeah, I have a Colorado.
Oh, all right.
Mine doesn't have a bed liner in it. So like right there, just
Yeah.
that's pretty solid.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Oh, sweet. Oh, so you gave these some slack too,
so,
huh?
So and I made it, yeah. So there's
In
a little
case,
bit of play in
yeah.
there, and then you could, if it's right up on this edge, you could use this open slot.
Yeah.
And then if it's not, you know, you could spin it either way. You could run it whichever way fits. So that's where it's like, it's tricky. I think that if it gets out of alignment a little bit, I think it could get.
Yeah. Yeah, so just keep them loose until you're ready to tighten all of them, huh?
Yeah, right. And then if it, as
it locks
tightens,
up.
it'll lock itself up.
Don't leave them too loose though, or the head will stick out too high for you to slip the wrench in there.
Something to cut that bed.
Yeah.
So we went through a couple nuts here. It was the bed liner. You got to cut a square out. It doesn't let it sit flush, and it won't let that one tighten correctly. So to do it right, you need to cut a little square. I'll show you, but I got to fast forward to the other side really quick.
Can you see that from the bottom, you think?
From under?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can. You can put nuts on them. Yeah.
So didn't notice that we did the passenger side, but if you want to preserve your bed liner and use standard nuts, you can. Let's stay on the passenger side for now, just to show you how to prep the inside rivet nut, since that's the only tricky part. But caution, if you cut the bed liner, there is a chance of injury, so at your own risk.
Well, people will be like, oh, man, this son of a bitch is American. There's red, white, and blue on the job. Blood.
Everything. Oh yeah. Oh, the mallet does get, the hammer does get the crimp lifted part. Yes. Yeah, so not to flatten it, but just to get them together.
Yeah.
Just cut the whole square out like the other one?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. What the other one take us like half an hour?
Jesus.
Big difference, huh? Yeah, the other one was dancing for an hour.
I switched to passenger side footage because we did a cleaner job of it, but back to chronological order now on the driver's side.
Everything that could possibly be done for it.
Yeah, we're breaking out the welder next. Yeah, right away, huh? What a difference.
I think the cutaway really helped it a lot. I think it was sitting up higher, and then it was hitting the body of this was hitting up here, which was throwing it off. Make sure the top one is aligned.
Yeah, just align every hole, huh?
Support in, get the bolts in there, and then tighten it afterwards.
Oh, after the bolts are in?
Yeah, because that way, at least
Yeah.
the bolts are in, and I know when you torque it, it's gonna pull.
Well, you tighten it first, you might not get those bolts in. Oh, okay.
I think
No, we're good though. Uh-oh.
And this is the part I was warning you about, to not leave the bolts too loose because the head will sit too high and you won't get the wrench in there.
Oh, shoot. An eighth of a turn at a time. Man, they look good. Well, no, the Tacomas and the Raptors, their beds start to fall apart.
Really?
Oh, these bushings, it's amazing I even have bushings. Some people in their first off-road trip, their bed just starts falling apart.
One down.
One down, but that was a hard one, look. The crap in the way, yeah, it looks good.
Now let's.
You want it? Just.
Jay's got a paint skin that works awesome. Maybe that.
Just for laughs.
Yeah, it makes it look a lot better.
Oh shoot, Jason might get mad at us, huh? I don't know if his sense of humor overpowers his anal.
So this is what they look like installed and all cleaned up.
And you can see they're directional. The logo has to face towards the outside. And cleaning tips, since before and after shot, whatever, you guys saw in the footage how dirty this bed was. Jason at Innov8 hooks it up with a tip for WD-40 to clean them. And yeah, look,
it's for your wheels, but it works for all metal finishes really, and even on the bed surface. I've had this for about a month already, and it doesn't get all greasy and grimy. You could sit on it and it doesn't get all brown as if you put WD-4, as if you put Armor All on it. My bad. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe and like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you guys, and until next time, keep building your truck, keep reinforcing your truck, and of course, keep it dirty. Actually, this is the only reason I keep making the videos in the channel. Yeah? Well, because the cool people I meet, like the people that are in my Rolodex, like, dude,
it's neat to meet other people that are just like-minded people that like doing things. And
yeah.
Because there's a big percentage of humans that don't really do anything, never get out, never experience anything.